screwing around and start!
Alright, so this is game 1 of our Duel series. We're going to be doing wind-ups versus Legendary 6 Samurai. We tried doing one a second ago, but miscalculation of life points, so here we go. We're going to see how this goes. Oh, let's do high roll this time. You roll. You probably roll the same number like I did last time. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna go first.
Doesn't matter. Just choose what you want and you win. It's true. Don't deny it.
This is true. Set 3 and set a monster go.
Oh, this one after. Get red about.
Whatever. Ow. Shoulder is dead. Dang it. Okay. Oh my god. Kigeki.
Morning.
Go.
Metal Pit. 7 bear.
Potential. When you think about it, Torrential seems kind of counterintuitive to my deck.
That's fine, go.
Normal Sonic keys on.
Yeah, that's fine.
Asceticism.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Such a great
Benji.
Yep. And they can both attack this game?
Yeah.
Only you would win that way.
Special Sonic keys on.
Yeah.
Overlay.
Alright.
Detach. 2000. I knew it was that. Didn't really have anything to stop it though.
My turn?
Yeah. This is why you don't play Samurais, kids. If you play this and go through, you're done.
Soul charge target too?
Yeah.
We're just gonna... I'm gonna summon this guy in defense. We're gonna go. Your move. This isn't just running the end phase, right? Yeah.
Rhoda.
Yeah, that's fine. What did you add?
Lost the Pokemon now.
Alright.
7.
Yep.
I hope these cards all fit now.
This guy
Yeah, he's got 18 defense. Kill bear. Yeah, go.
Draw for turn. Space that card. Normal juggler.
Yeah.
Dandy. Summon to change to attack mode. Attack with bear. And he's negated, right?
Alright.
So that's 2,000. And then 12 and then 17.
Yeah.
Go. Yeah, 31.
Go.
Gold sarcophagus. Fish magician.
If they're on the side of the map, then they go down.
Oh, okay. Not even just Pokemon. Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's
Attack with bear.
good.
I saw that, yeah.
Compost for bear.
Everybody saw it on my.
Attack warrior.
So, Jared.
Attack with juggler. Then phase 2 cowboy for game. Alright, game 2. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and make sure to comment down below. If you want to watch our other channels, click the jellyfish to watch Blue play games such as Binding of Isaac Rebirth, or click the butterfly to view our new channel where I will talk about random anime, gaming, or silly top 10 topics. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a wonderful day. Yeah.